No more blind spots or uneven fades. These mirrors are real glass, distortion-free, for perfect clarity every time. And let's not forget the LED heaven lights. Yep, that's the name because you'll feel divine with every precisely lit snip. Now, what if I told you there's a free app tagging along? It's like having your barber on speed dial, guiding you with step-by-step tutorials and handy tips to master every style, whether you're a newbie or the conqueror of fades. Fold it up, take it on the go, be it your bathroom or a business trip. This isn't just a mirror, it's your portable haircutting powerhouse. Plus, with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can cut with confidence, risk-free. Ready to transform your routine? Hit the link in the description and start your grooming revolution today.